Back today, taking a look at a brand new 704 gear pocket knife that just hit the market, the Sabertooth. 3.2-inch blade with the 14C 28N steel on both versions, available in both blue G10 and black micarta, and a stonewash finish. Completely reversible pocket clip for left and right-handed carry, ball bearing action, and a lanyard spot at the back. This one's also really nice because it's got a spot that you can get that reverse finger flip with a cutout on your blade or slow deploy. You can also use the flipper as intended, and that button lock action is super smooth. This knife is going to be one of the mid-size knives and a great option if you like the push button with the cutout in the blade. Let's take a closer look at the micarta. Really nice texturing, and I think it matches well with that 14C 28N stonewash blade. This is available at 704gear.com, and both of the models are going to be featuring our new pivot cover with our new logo. Both also feature a lifetime warranty and come shipped in the nylon sheath. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.